Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Sefralls 5% Minoxidil Hair Growth Kit. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, try it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So as we get the box open, one of the things that really makes this brand different is the applicator, which we'll walk through in a second here. And of course, you'll have the ability to do this a couple different ways. First of all, again, it's 5% minoxidil with biotin, I believe it's called. I don't know how to pronounce this stuff. Anyway, two different ways to kind of utilize this. If you wanted to, you could just drop it right on your head, which I don't necessarily think you should do, but just want to share that you can do that. The other way, and we'll show you this in a little bit better detail, is you're just going to fill this up. You're going to drop it right into this caps off, and then your applicator is just going to be kind of pushing this down onto your head. Now, I don't know that you can tell this or not from this view. Either way, let me try and show you. These things kind of go in, these metal pieces go in slightly to kind of allow it to release the liquid that's in there. And again, I'm not sure if you're seeing this well. I'm hoping I'm doing a great job of showing it. Let me remove this. You can kind of see where the holes are. The little black pieces view is going to be where it kind of sinks into this. And then you're just going to press this on your trouble spots on your head. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate it, but just wanted to kind of give you that outside view. And then of course you can just put the cap right back on. So you can kind of keep this. You can make it a travel size, if you will. My eyes are not that good, if you can read that or not. I think that's giving you some milliliter measurements, but my eyes are terrible, so apologize. But anyway, you can kind of fill it, put it in your pocket, do whatever you need to do. Just make sure this doesn't come off. That way you don't have to carry this whole thing, but these are all rubberized over here, and this will just, be a squeeze to fill in. So we'll go ahead and show you how it works. So showing you the process here, we'll just unscrew this, make sure there's some liquid in it, drop in there and just empty, and then we'll do this again. So we'll squeeze in, get some liquid, and just drop it in. All right, and you can fill it up as much as you want. I'm just going to use that as kind of our main mark there, because all we're going to do is then put this back on top, make sure it's set in properly, and so we'll go ahead and just show you the rest on my head. All right, so what we're going to do is just, like I said, take this piece off, and we're just going to kind of just drop it on the spots, the trouble spots, and press down like so. And you can feel the liquid, so then you're just going to kind of rub it in and just put it right back into the thing there. But we're just going to rub it in from here, and again, get your trouble spots. You can do it where there's hair, where there's not hair. It's really up to you. They say you can use this on your face. I don't really have an issue there. I'm just kind of losing my hair all over the place. But again, from there, what we're going to do is just kind of make sure you seal it back up, and you should have it in there. So definitely worth buying. I love the applicator process. This is awesome. And assuming it does what it's supposed to do, then we'll be real happy. Now, all these things kind of have different results for different people, so I'm not going to make any promises, guarantees, or anything like that on hair regrowth. But as far as an actual applicator, I love this, and love the concept behind it. So looking forward to some great results. Hopefully this helped, and thanks for watching.